part 2. By the way, quick interruption again. That was part 2 because, interference. You know what I mean? Okay, now. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the video. I found you. Oh, man. Thought I was gonna win because I'm shiny like you, Mom. Thank you, anyways. I think I'll just find someone else. I can't even do this anymore. Wherever you are, come down here. I can't find you. Ah! Oh. Boo! Oh. You're up there. Yeah. Duh. Let me get off. Last. Okay, Astro. Lady, you will count. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go right over here. I'm a master at hiding because I'm a coyote. I don't think so anybody's gonna find me other than my paws sticking out. Here. Ugh. Actually, this is not a good hiding spot. I have a better idea. Okay, well, I'm going here. We'll just hide together. I don't even care anymore. I think I should do the same. I am a little small, so maybe. I'm gonna go all the way up there. He's never gonna find me. Hope I don't get found. Nine, 10. Here I not. Here I come. Oh. Oh man, that's kind of sad. Whatever. If others find you. Okay. You stay in line so I know. Found you, Luna. Aw. Well, at least I'm not first. Just gonna go on the whole tree. I know, that's really cool, right? Yeah. Found you. I saw your paws. Ugh. Found me. Yep. At least I'm not first. Okay, let's fix the tree. Hey. Oh. I give up, Astro. Where are you? I'm right here. What? You're all the way up there? Yeah. No. Wow. You have to tell your mom to get down. No, I can totally get down. I don't know how to get down. Save me. I'm coming for you, Astro. Wait, your name is not Astro. Your name is Gray. Why did I just say Astro? Oh, whatever. Raksha these days. There's only one Raksha in the world. Maybe not. Whatever. Oh, gosh. Let's go. Where did he go? Oh, he went all the way over there. Man, I have to go all the way over there. Wait, if it's worth it. Now, quick interruption again. I have to squeeze my head in there just to get him. Let's get back on the story. Okay, let's go. Come on. Mom, why did you throw me? Let's just come on. I'm tired, Mommy. I really am. You are tired? Nice. Well, anyways, we're gonna go and sleep right now. Okay, Mommy. Oh no, hunters. Okay, I'm sure they're not gonna be anywhere here. It's okay. Anyways, let's all go to sleep, everybody. take you and you. Oh yeah. And you should take all my children, except for you. You're hired. Your mom told me to watch over you. Here we're gonna see right over here. There. Oh gosh. Actually, yeah, this is actually a better area. Okay, now. Oh, good night, everybody. Okay, now I'll sleep with you guys. Come on. Cub Scouts is almost done. No, more like training. Good night. Good night, everybody. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this wolf story. Yes, I did squeeze my head in there. No worries. Oh, well, as you can see, I can squeeze my head in there, but an actual person cannot squeeze their head in there. So, yeah, also, I used to be from one of my best friends. Oh, whatever, just let's get on with the story. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye. Okay, it's not actually my real voice, but anyways. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Wow.